Assalamualaikum and hi to all of my viewers, and my name is Muhammad Hazim bin Muhammad Hizir. My matrix number is 1210448 and my subject is ACM2023, that was communication theory. And now, as you can see, for my topic is psychological theories. I am sure that most of you will asking me what are psychological theories. Okay, first, psychological theories are fact-based ideas that describe a phenomenon of human behavior. The term theory is used with surprising frequency in everyday language. It is often used to mean a guess, hunch, or supposition. You may even hear people dismiss certain information because it is only a theory. But in the realm of science, a theory is not merely a guess. A theory presents a concept or idea that is testable. Scientists can test a theory through empirical research and gather evidence that supports or refuses it. And there must be two components for the psychological theories. That was, it must describe a behavior, and then it must take prediction about future behaviors. And next, we can see the 5 major psychological theories, and this is some of the best known psychological theories. First one is behavioral theories. Behavioral psychology, also known as behaviorism, is a theory of learning based on the idea that all behaviors are acquired through conditioning. Advocated by famous psychologists such as John B. Watson and B.F. Skinner, behavioral theories dominate psychology during the early half of 20th century. Today, behavioral techniques are still widely used by therapists to help clients learn new skills and behaviors. And the second one is cognitive theories. Cognitive theories of psychology are focused on internal states such as motivation, problem solving, decision making, thinking, and attention. Such theories strive to explain different mental processes, including how the mind processes information and how our thoughts lead to certain emotions and behaviors. The third one is humanistics theories. Humanistic psychology theories began to grow in popularity during the 1915s. Some of the major humanist theories included Charles Rogers and Abraham Maslow, while earlier theories often focused on abnormal behavior and psychological problems. Humanist theories about behavior instead emphasize the basic goodness of human beings. The fourth one is psychodynamic theories. Psychodynamic theories examine the unconscious concepts that shape our emotions, attitudes, and personalities. Psychodynamic approaches seek to understand the root causes of unconscious behavior. And the number 5 of major psychological theories is biological theories. Biological theories in psychology attribute human emotion and behavior to biological causes. For instance, in the nature versus nurture debate on human behavior, the biological perspective would side with nature. Besides of that, we can see different types of psychological theories. There are many psychology theories, but most can be categorized as one of 4 key types. 1 over 4, that was developmental theories. Theories of development provide a framework for thinking about human growth, development, and learning. If you have ever wondered about what motivates human thought and behavior, understanding these theories can provide useful insight into individuals and society. Number 2 of 4 is grand theories. Grand theories are those comprehensive ideas often proposed by major thinkers, such as Sigmund Freud, Erik Erikson, and Jean Piaget. Grand theories of development include psychoanalytic theory, learning theory, and cognitive theory. These theories seek to explain much of human behavior, but are often considered outdated and incomplete in the face of modern research. Psychologists and researchers often use grand theories as a basis for exploration, but consider smaller theories and recent research as well. Number 3 of 4, that was mini theories. Mini theories describe a small, very particular aspect of development. A mini theory might explain relatively narrow behaviors such as how self-esteem is formed or early childhood socialization. These theories are often rooted in the ideas established by grand theories, but they do not seek to describe and explain the whole of human behavior and growth. And number 4 of different type of psychological theories is emergent theories. Emergent theories are those that have been created relatively recently. They are often formed by systematically combining various mini theories. These theories draw on research and ideas from different disciplines but are not yet as broad or far-reaching as grand theories. The socio-cultural theory proposed by Lev Vygotsky is a good example of an emergency theory of development. I think there must be some of you think, what is the purpose of psychological theories? What is the purpose of all of this? So I will tell you about the purpose of psychological theories. The first one, it will allow a deeper understanding of current theories. Each one helps contribute to our knowledge of the human mind and behavior. And second one, by understanding how thinking has progressed, you can get a better idea not only of where psychology has been, but where it might be going in the future. And the third one, studying scientific theories can improve our understanding of how scientific explanation for our behavior and other phenomena in the natural world are found, investigated, and accepted by the scientific community. On the other hand, we will go to the examples of psychological theories. These are a few examples of psychological theories that have maintained relevance even today. The first one is Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory is commonly represented by a pyramid with 5 different types of human needs listed, from bottom to top. These needs are sociological, example like food, water, and shelter. Second one is safety need. It was security and resources. Third one is belongingness and love. That was intimate relationship. Number 4 is esteem needs. That was feeling accomplished. And number 5 is self-actualization. That was living our full potential creatively and spiritually. Second example that you can see is Piaget's theory of cognitive development. Piaget's theory of cognitive development focuses on how children learn and evolve in their understanding of the world around them. According to his theory, there are 4 stages children go through during cognitive development. First one is sensoromotor stage. And second one is pre-operational stage. And third one is concrete operational stage. And the fourth one is formal operational stage. And the third example was Freud's psychoanalytic theory. Still widely discussed today is Freud's famous psychoanalytic theory. In his theory, Freud proposed that a human personality is made up of the ID, the ego, and the superego. The idea, according to Freud, is a primary component of personality. It is unconscious and desires pleasure and immediate gratification. The ego is responsible for managing the impulse of the ID, so they conform to the norm of the outside world. And the superego is made up of what we internalize to be right and wrong. Based on what we've been taught, our conscience is part of the superego. The superego works to make our behavior acceptable, and it urges the ego to make decisions based on what's idealistic, that was not realistic. And for the conclusion, in a nutshell, much of what we know about human thought and behavior has emerged thanks to various psychology theories. For example, behavioral theories demonstrate how conditioning can be used to promote learning. By learning more about these theories, you can get a deeper and richer understanding of psychology's past, present, and future. That's all from me, and thank you for hearing.